Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. If you're using Instagram and you want to deactivate your Instagram account, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you just have to open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on three horizontal lines or the menu option in the top right corner. And here just tap on account center. Then select personal details option. And here select account or ownership and control. Select deactivation or deletion. And here just select your Instagram account. And here you must have to select deactivate account. If you want to temporarily deactivate your Instagram accounts, you must have to select the first option. Or if you want to completely delete your account, so you must have to select the second option. But I'm going to deactivate my account. Just select the first option, then tap on continue. Once you have that, you must have to enter your password and your account will be deactivated. I have just reactivated my account, so I can now deactivate my account within 7 days. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.